Have you heard the news? Unreal Engine 5.4 has just been released, and it's packed with intriguing new features and improvements. This new and exciting toolset has been used to build and ship games like Fortnite Chapter 5, Rocket Racing, Fortnite Festival, and LEGO Fortnite. So, what are these new tools, and are they worth the hype? Before we proceed, for those who are beginner 3D artists or have been in the field for some time but haven't figured out how to monetize their skills, know that you're not alone. The struggle to monetize 3D skills is common, even for experienced artists. That's why there's Motionplex, a platform offering top-notch courses specifically tailored to help you monetize your 3D skills. Feel free to explore the platform and use the code MP20 when making a purchase. Only 100 users will get 20% off with this code, so don't miss this opportunity. First things first, the part that raised eyebrows about this update is the new character animation toolset. Historically, Unreal Engine and other game engines have struggled with character animation. While not impossible, many users experience frustration and often turn to software like Maya, Blender, or 3ds Max for animation. However, with this release, Unreal Engine has broken the norm, introducing a new animation paradise for quick, easy, and enjoyable rigging and animation. No more switching back and forth between Unreal Engine and Maya or Blender. Starting with their new modular control rig features, led by Chase Cooper, a senior technical product manager at Epic Games with profound rigging expertise, the modular control rig introduces an interactive system that can convert any rig into a ready-to-animate skeleton in just a few seconds. Instead of manually building rig interactions like IK and FK, users can simply drag and drop elements such as leg, foot, arm, or position into place, and it works seamlessly. For instance, with the leg R module, moving the foot will cause the rest of the leg to interact accordingly. Additionally, the animation landscape within Unreal Engine has improved significantly. The new automatic retargeting features make it easier to transfer animations between biped characters like humans, as long as they use compatible skeleton types. The skeleton editor is faster and offers more functionalities, addressing common issues like weight painting and pulley groups. The sequencer and animation tools have also been enhanced, featuring a suite of fresh functions that make the deal graph more accessible and less confusing, allowing for the creation of animations that could rival Pixar. New experimental gizmos enable easy and quick character posing using the middle mouse button. The video sequencer has undergone a significant makeover, improving readability and usability, including new control rig features for direct animation creation. The cherry on top is the motion matching feature. Tested in Fortnite Battle Royale and deployed across all platforms from mobile to console, it runs on all 100 characters plus NPCs. Motion matching is an expandable framework for smooth transitions between animations. Instead of relying on complex logic, it uses a large database of captured animations, assessing the character's current actions in the game and selecting an appropriate animation from the database to blend in, creating fluid transitions between animations. Previously, Unreal Engine had frustrated many users with its character animation shortcomings, but let's not forget about motion graphics. The software always had potential in this area, and while some users managed to achieve success, there was always a sense that something was missing. Good news, with version 5.4, Unreal Engine has introduced a long-anticipated motion design experimental mode. Developed with production testing and feedback from leading broadcasters, this mode is packed with specialized tools well established in the motion graphics market, incorporating some of the industry's best techniques. This update introduces 4 fundamental concepts of motion graphics through a series of menus: cloners, animators, modifiers, and effectors. These elements enable the creation of typical motion graphics such as product visualizations, title sequences, and chaotic object arrangements. Users can duplicate, edit, and animate shapes based on patterns and adjust position, scale, and rotation to create more organic looks. The question remains, can Unreal Engine 5.4 compete with established software like Cinema 4D? Let us know what you think in the comments below. A new addition to the Unreal Engine roster includes the Unreal Cloud DDC and the improved Zen storage. As you may have noticed, Unreal Engine has evolved beyond being just a game engine and is now widely used across various entertainment industries and beyond, with new job postings daily. In today's world, not everyone works in the same office, and remote jobs are more popular than ever. To address this, Unreal introduced the Unreal Cloud DDC as a solution. DDC, or Derived Data Cache, is a system within Unreal Engine that stores asset data like shaders and texture compressions, allowing the engine to quickly access the content without long loading times. The Unreal Cloud DDC is a cloud-based storage solution that teams can host and access online, eliminating the reliance on local storage. Zen Storage, the local DDC, has been further enhanced with faster performance and load times. It provides a way to store assets on a local storage server rather than as loose files on a local computer system, reducing the risk of data loss. There are several noteworthy updates in this release, making it one of the most significant in recent times. However, it cannot be fully covered in this single update. For instance, the virtual camera tool is now production ready and fully supported on Mac, in addition to Android. The mobile application has been renamed Unreal VCam, available on both the Apple Store and Google Play. In the VR realm, Unreal Engine introduces an experimental, fully customizable toolkit using an XR creative framework to support OpenXR HMDs. This framework is an open standard for developing VR and AR applications that work across different hardware platforms. From a virtual production perspective, users can now utilize real-world camera positions and lens parameters to add correct depth of field in Unreal Engine on the LED wall, compensating for any extra blur from the actual camera lens. However, amidst these technical marvels, there's a new pricing model to consider. This update marks the beginning of a new pricing structure for Unreal Engine, Twinmotion, and Reality Capture, as announced in March. According to their statement, this will fund future engine development for all creators. Unlike the controversial changes at Unity, this new model seems better planned. Starting with Unreal Engine 5.4, the new pricing model is $1,850 per seat per year, applicable only to companies generating over $1 million annually in gross revenue and who are not creating video games. This means the license for game developers remains unchanged, continuing with the 5% royalty on products exceeding $1 million in lifetime gross revenue. Other industries, however, will adhere to this new model, ensuring game developers are safe for now. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, check out Motionplex. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.